Unlocking mobility. Now, a lot of people are wondering about self-driving in their everyday car. There are multiple parts to that is, why do you want to have a personal car and have it be self-driving? Why don't you just have kind of a public transportation system that is self-driven and can get you anywhere you need to go 24/7, don't have to worry about driver and time off and things like that. So this is where something like this comes in. Again, it's just a bus, just like any other bus. Again, it's just self-driven. Get in there, tell it where you need to go. It takes you there, easy peasy. A lot of space, a lot of storage. Room for a lot of passengers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sitting. Space for baggage, luggage to be put up here. Strap for people standing up. We have 3 more here. Wheelchair accessible. And look at that. Super awesome. Table. Let me see. Have this. Let's check it out. Let's go around real quick. It is called either Climb 3 or just Climb B. Let's look over here on the wall. It says the word. Okay, let's see if we can get inside real quick. Now we have a sliding door, like a minivan. Let's check out inside. Wow, look at this. Look at the ceiling. Wow. Now this is how you transport people in the future. I am totally in for this. Now look at, when you sit down, you have a screen where you can ask for different information, where it will publish it on the screen around you, as far as like directions or music info or messages. Look at this light feature in the ceiling. This is really cool. Wow, the future, I am all for it. I'm all for this future. We are back, continuing our walkthrough of the North Hall of the Las Vegas Convention Center. This is CES 2023. We are here in front of Mover. Again, another thing that to move people around in the future, hopefully not too distant future. This looks really cool. Look at these headlights. They look like eyeballs. And I'm sure that was made on purpose to make it look more humane and less robotic and get people more excited. Okay. And I think it's working. Let's get a little bit closer to that. Let's see what Mover is about. People mover of the future. So it's kind of like a bus, but not really, because let's see on the side. Okay, this is better. Ah, it's made by Holon. Okay, perfect. That makes a lot of sense. Let's look at here. We have some meeting happening inside. And let's keep going. So let's see. Here we have Yadea. Yadea, electrify your life. Let's see what they're gonna electrify with my life this time. Oh, he's gone. He's gone. Come back! Come back! I wanna film you riding this tiny little thing. I'm just gonna wait here. He's gonna come back. Hopefully. Until then, let's see what Yadea has to offer. So we have all sort of electric mobility goodness. This looks like a 250 motorcycle, but of course electric. There's another one over here. Bicycle, three-wheel, some kind of stuff. Oh, actually, they each have their name, so let me show you what those are. So you have Yadea Elite Prime is this. Yadea Summoner Ticker, which is this two wheels in the front, one in the back situation. You have the bicycle, which is Yadea Innovator. And then you have the Yadea Kines VFD, this guy right here. And you have the Yadea Kines VFD again. Oh, I guess these are the same thing, just different shades, different color. Okay. Cool. Oh, actually, no, that is something different. Look at the rear of this. It looks like it's electric motor in the back, whereas that one looks like it has a traditional chain. Take a look at that. So they are a little bit different. So that one has a motor in the center, chain driven to the back, whereas this one has the motor directly in the back wheel. Interesting. And we have this. This is what the guy earlier took off on. Pretty cool. Hopefully I'll see him come back. Maybe he'll never come back. He doesn't come back ever. No.
Show to you. Yeah, show how to open, how to fold.
Oh, thank you. We're about to get a quick demonstration of this awesome little thing that the guy earlier took off with. Well, I think it's going to do something on its own. This is, whoa. Did you see that? What? What? That is so cool. My camera is very heavy, but I'll try like riding it.
Try to like.
Or do open it and close it. Why not? Okay. So press and hold. Yeah.
Then one more time.
So twice, very quickly.
Yeah.
Oh.
Open the seat. This is the accelerate brake.
Oh, okay. I'm not gonna go anywhere. I'm just gonna. This is so cool. And it has a light in the front too. This is really cool. What is the range on it?
100 kilometers.
100 kilometers. Wow, that is a lot.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there it is. Earlier when I was coming in, I saw you taking off. 100 kilometers range.
Range?
Yeah.
30 kilometers. 30.
Okay,
30.
but that is, I mean, being able to go around in like an airport or when you get off the train to get like something like this is really
it's so convenient in the airport. Yeah.
yeah.
Just put your luggage and you travel this to your gate.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, that is really cool. So, what is the maximum speed?
Max speed is so it's a small.
Yeah.
So it's coming so fast, only 50 kilometers per hour.
Okay, so we have the turn signal here.
Yeah, this turn signal, it will tell people which you're gonna go. But
Yeah, and then
you guys just scream, I gotta go.
like, hey, move out of the way.
Yeah.
No, just joking. Yeah. That is very cool. Oh,
And push the button, just push
Yeah.
the button one more time. Hold it. Then push one more time and hold it. Yeah.
wow, really awesome. Okay, is this? Awesome. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you.